Okay, part 2. I am back from Old Town Donuts, and I will finish showing my collection off. So, I was mentioning earlier how I had the Kirby zip brush. I have it. I'm now in my living room. The family room in my basement. This is what the zip brush looks like now. This zip brush does not go to my G3 or G4. This goes to the Heritage 2 Turbo, since it's that shiny color. And it does have golden bristles. It doesn't have yellow bristles like the newer ones do. This is my Easy Spares Turbo floor brush. It does work very well. And how I was mentioning earlier about the suction control grip, this is what it looks like. And since the Kirby's hose doesn't have a handle on it, this is what they give you. My second vacuum, this is my very favorite one, is this guy right here. Yes, indeed, I have an Oreck XL Extended Life C-Lock Hypoallergenic Plus. It's the XL2 Ultra, which is right there. This does have the 2-speed motor. Yes, and this does have the letter design handle with the strain relief. This is the back of it. The date is right here. It's May 13th, 2008. 3 days after my birthday. It is a U4080H2YPDRA. This one was made in New Orleans, Louisiana. My canister was made in Cookeville, Tennessee. I also got a user manual with it as well. What I would say I used to call this control manual. This is the Oreck XL Gold. It's the same thing, just it looks a little bit different. I got it from an XL Gold. So, that's what that looks like. I will show you how I work on this one. So I'm gonna put it to this side here. And we're gonna do, so grab a screwdriver that has that size of a Phillips head screw tip. And you're gonna take the screwdriver. You're gonna put in the screw. Hang on, let me go to the other side. So get a better view of it. So, it looks like it's a buttercup yellow though on the camera though, but it's actually like a lemon yellow. No, it's more like a school bus yellow. So you're gonna turn the screwdriver to the left once you get it in the screw. So, yeah, let me see if I can switch to the smaller screw tip. Oh, I do need the bigger one. See, this is what happens when you have big size screwdrivers. So, I move it over here.
The Pope.
Oh, sorry about that. So I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna slide this panel off, and that gives us access to the belt. Now, if you ever had to remove the belt on this Oreck, just slip it off on the side like this. But if you had to reattach it, you slip it on like part way, and then you turn it, the brush roll, toward you, you push it, and then the belt will roll onto the brush roll spindle. And this does have the correct belt. So I'm gonna take the belt cover now, and I'm gonna slide the cover back on. I'll put the screw back in, and I'm gonna take the screwdriver, and I'm gonna let me turn this over. See if I can get it on. Does this screwdriver not fit or something? Stripping the screw. Okay, that's as tight as that's gonna be. Gonna show a tutorial how to change the lights. Okay, so you see these two screws up top. I'm gonna have to do this like this. You get the idea. So you're gonna take your screwdriver and you're gonna turn your screwdriver. You're gonna undo the screws. Top. Like so. And now you're going to take the top off, and now you have, it doesn't look like there's an, so now you have access to your, your, light bulbs now. And if you had to pull them out, you just pull gently and wiggle it. And then put it back in the same way once you get the new bolts. So, for this one, the left, the writing's on the top. For this one over here on the right, the writing is, looks like it's left to right. It looks like it's right to left up, but I'm actually correct by left to right. Because this is the left side of the vacuum, that's the right side of the vacuum, if you're looking at it behind. So, just push. I'll see pull, push it in. And then when you're done, you take this cover here, put the cover on top. Now, the nice thing about this Oreck has plastic rings. So it's not like the older 2600 HH I was showing you earlier, how it had the like that. So you take those little plastic hook things and you just line them up. Now make sure the notch is on with the belt thing, or else the belt will not slide out. Then you'll take these long screws. Now these screws are longer than the old school Oreck screws. The really old school ones, like the 2600, the screws are like that tall. These have really long screws because they came up with the taller light lens. So that's how you work on. Now I will show you how to unclog this Oreck on a different Oreck. So let me get my vacuum that I need. So I'm demonstrating it on the 2600. So what you're gonna do is you take this little spring here on the side. You're gonna push that spring up, because there's not that many videos on how to do this. So what you're gonna do is take that spring, push that spring up, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna come to the back and you're gonna twist this here. And you're gonna pull that up, pull this rubber thing up, and then you're gonna pull the tube out. And you can take something long and pull anything out of this tube, and also check the inside of the fan thing as well. So when you're done, all you have to do is make sure the notch, this hole is lined up in the back. Put it back in. Slide that back down. Twist that back on there. And then what you do is you take this clip here and you put it on there. Like so. I will do a part 3 next weekend on how the XL Gold works in the demonstration on my vacuums. So, bye everybody and peace.